Anyways, today we're gonna be making SlushieShakes.
Oh yeah, slushy that shake. It's a slushy shake.
Planet Nixton trademarks that shit.
That's where we combine milk, lamp oil, moms, if you have rubies. No, but seriously, we're gonna be making slushy milkshakes, and we're gonna teach you how to do that. It includes ice cream, milk, ice cream, ice, chocolate milk, and more ice cream.
You got a pinch of salt.
Oh yeah. Put it down. Yeah.
That works.
Hi.
We're gonna be using this is our killing device today. We are using the Hembrush. What? I don't know. This will be TMG's glass.
It says Hamilton B.
Wait, what?
And this will be Cat1son's glass.
It's Hamilton Beach.
I don't care. TMG doesn't know how to open up a lamp oil. Merc's getting the milk. Leave a comment down below. Who do you think is better, TMG or C1S? Link
Rat.
it in comment.
The rat kid?
The who? The fat ass or the cool guy?
Vote the fat ass.
Oh my god, don't break it and spill it everywhere. This ain't the rainbow challenge.
Oh my god.
Like this video for Merc. Merc is actually,
Oh,
the hell?
the-
roundhouse kick to the face.
Oh my god. Right, kick to the face.
This thing is on, folks.
These are actually like unicorns or something, I'm pretty sure.
Why is everything unicorns at the
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Oh, this has not been opened.
Brand new.
Here.
Oh.
Looks the same.
Let's try it.
Can I get a separate glass to try some of this?
You can if you grab one.
Give me a like.
That's enough of that. Then apparently
Alright, I'm not adding that crap.
we're gonna use a quarter
A quarter, bro. Oh, heck no.
Pop-Tart.
down here.
Wait. No, it just smells like freaking.
Very.
Why are you putting birthday cake, unicorn crap, and caramel together?
Caramel. Ugh. Oh, this is gonna be gross. Second thoughts on actually getting some. Actually, no, it's gonna be good.
How much milk do I need?
Oh, that's a lot, dude.
It's okay.
Where's the ice at?
It's okay. You're right. This is a
Where's the chocolate milk?
shake slushy.
Where's
so
the chocolate
we need
milk?
to add.
Okay, if it's a slushy, it's usually fruity.
And chocolate milk. Oh, paint chocolate milk.
Yeah, let me grab the paint chips.
Oh, this is getting grosser by the second.
Guys, this is how we do it in Planet Nixton, okay? We just made a Nixton Dive Bomb, a Nixton rocket ride. So here we go. Good luck. I'm so excited. Hold on, let go. Let me shake it up a little bit.
Yeah, the ice is not moving. This is a bad example of how to make a milkshake.
Milkshake noises.
I don't think it's quite done.
It needs another shake.
Make sure you don't use that same spoon when you
All right, put it in all the way this time.
Okay, it's all the way in. More milkshake noises.
All right, I think it's good.
Oh my god, actually.
Ugh.
It looks like ice cream.
Oh, it's leaking out the sides. Be careful there.
Alright, here we go, everybody.
Here comes the liquid first.
Wait.
What the? No, ugh. You
Oh,
licked
wait,
that.
you're right. Why does it smell like burn?
That's that.
You're
Oh,
really
it's
good
like-
at this shit.
Get in there.
It's like birthday cake. It's like the raw.
Rubber.
It's like when you go to a kid's birthday party and have like those little gross slimy
threw up.
thingies. I don't, oh, I'll have to show you.
Oh!
Is this can this cause you to throw up?
It might. We're about to find out.
Huh?
It's a Nixton Dive Bomb. Shut up and drink it.
Dude,
Cheers.
the solids are.
We gotta drink this all at the same time. Ready?
I need to shake it.
Here, pop your merc.
3, 2, 1, go.
It's not going down. No,
Oh my
there we
God.
I got a little bit of it.
Oh, let me
Shout out
make
to
something
Joey.
clear real quick. This drink is so good that it tastes like absolute crap. All right. Exactly what happens on Planet Nixton. Oh! As large improvements.
You're gonna finish yours.
You didn't.
What the hell?
Yeah, this has turned into a real shit show,
Alright.
hasn't it?
Cut.